Hello friends, this is Priyanka, your English trainer. Welcome to the Daily English Vocabulary Dose 43.
Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to watch more videos.
So these are our today's vocabulary words. In the end, I'll ask a question. Give me answer of that question in comment box. Look at our first word, slog. Slog means work hard over a period of time. Its Hindi meaning is kadi mehnat karna. Now look at its sentence. They were slogging away to meet a deadline. Its synonym is labor. Moving to the next word, dingy. Dingy means dark and dirty. Its Hindi meaning is andhera or ganda. Now look at its sentence. He ate lunch in a dingy little cafe next to the station. Its synonym is gloomy. The next word that I have for you is hovel. Hovel means a small, simply constructed dwelling. Its Hindi meaning is jhopdi. Now look at its sentence. People were living in rat-infested hovels. Its synonym is cottage. Look at our next word, frail. Frail means physically weak and thin. In Hindi you can say durbal. Now look at its sentence. At 90, she is getting very old and frail. Its synonym is feeble. Moving to our next word, sanctity. Sanctity means the state or quality of being holy or sacred. Its Hindi meaning is pavitrata. Now look at its sentence. I believe in the sanctity of human life. Its synonym is purity. The next word is hurtling. Hurtling means moving with great speed. Its Hindi meaning is tezi se aana. Now look at its sentence. I saw the ball hurtling towards me. Its synonym is speed. Look at our next word, aping. Aping means imitating. Its Hindi meaning is nakal karna. Now look at its sentence. Suddenly the poor begin aping the rich. Its synonym is mimic. Look at our next word, wobbly. Wobbly means unstable. Its Hindi meaning is dawa dol. Now look at its sentence. She sat down on a wobbly chair. Its synonym is shaky. The next word that I have for you is vestige. Vestige means remains. Its Hindi meaning is shesh. Now look at its sentence. When the sun appeared once more, the vestige of the snow melted. Its synonym is leftovers. Last but not least is bait. Friends, bait means food placed on a hook or in a net or trap to entice fish or any other animal. Its sentence is a trap was laid with fresh bait. Its synonym is lure. Now it's time for the question of the day. What is the meaning of sanctity? A. Mimic. B. Purity. C. Feeble. D. Shaky. Give me answer of this question in comment box.